Hi, this is Miss Chan, and today I'm going to show you how your child can go onto the Google Classroom through the landing page and typing in URL. So hopefully you guys have my landing page bookmarked by now. If not, please do so today. It will just help with all the different links and platforms we will be using. So on the front of the landing page, if you scroll down, you'll see some of the links. This will work, and this little icon will work too. So let me show you the first picture. So if you click on Google Classroom, it should take you to a new page. Mine's a little bit different, so I had to click back to classes, and your classes should show up here. What you can also do is also scroll down to this interactive classroom. If you click on the icons here, it should link you to those websites. So click on the Google Classroom one, and it should also bring you back to your child's Google Classroom. They may have more than one class, so one with me and one with their general education teachers. So there are two ways. It also works for Zoom if you click on it, or Constella and the class portal. So all these pictures, the ones up here and the icons that are on the shelves, these are active links. So if you click on them, they should bring you to your portal and open up a separate web page. Another way is for you to open up a new tab and type in classroom.google.com. This might take a little bit longer if your child is logging in to Google Classroom on their own, since they have to type in the correct URL. But they can also do that. They can also bookmark this page if needed. But I think the easiest way for students is to just always go back to the landing page and to click on the icons. Feel free to email me and reach out to me if you have any questions.